Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits and gravy. First, gather all your ingredients, including flour, butter, milk, and breakfast sausage. Next, we will prepare the dough for light, fluffy biscuits. Then, we will cook the sausage and build the rich, savory gravy base. Finally, we will combine everything for a comforting, classic breakfast dish that's perfect for any morning. To make your biscuits, start by whisking together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Next, cut in 6 tablespoons of very cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 3/4 cup of cold milk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Gently fold the dough a few times, then cut out your biscuits and bake them until golden brown. For the gravy, begin by browning 1 pound of your favorite breakfast sausage in a large skillet over medium heat. Once cooked through, drain off most of the fat, leaving about 2 tablespoons in the pan with the sausage. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring for 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of whole milk, ensuring no lumps form. Continue to simmer the gravy over medium-low heat, stirring frequently, until it reaches your preferred thickness. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once your biscuits are baked and warm, split them in half. Ladle a generous amount of the hot, creamy sausage gravy over each biscuit for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.